one and two gimmicks and the things that you don't see when you're living in the place, but like when you move, that's when you see them. You know, they're like miscellaneous things there. And then when you move now and then everything down over, yes, yeah, what we are doing with this? Yeah, why we still have this? Why we still have this? Why we still have this? Yes, yeah, why we have so much stuff? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, them they're the little gimmicks where they're all over the place, you know. But you know, sometimes the Holy Ghost move upon you. The Lord carry you out into a deep sleep. That's what happened this morning. So, all right, greetings. The last video, we talked about we already found an apartment. We did the empty apartment tour, and now I'm just gonna show you the chaos the night before moving day. So today's what time now? I mean, actually today is moving day. It is 2:12 a.m. April 29th, and this is the condition of the place. And this is the condition of Sister Shanika. Oh, she don't want to be on camera. So, so far, well, earlier yesterday, Shanika's dad came up here and we were able to move a lot of the stuff that we had already packed up in the boxes. So most of the cupboards, in fact all of the cupboards are empty and cleaned out. We just have one and two miscellaneous things all over the place. Cleaning, garbage. Just one and two things. Freezer sort out already. We have the empty and clean the rest of the fridge later today. The room, the kids, they're both in the room. The washroom is relatively broken down. The laundry, I have some laundry running right now because you can't move with dirty clothes, you know what I mean? So all of this stuff will have to go into storage. Thankfully we have a lot of storage at the new place that we're going to. But yeah guys, like everything kind of upside down now. I don't particularly do well in chaotic situations, so this is very stressful for me. I'm leaning on my wife's calmness and her expertise because she knows how to maneuver these situations. Well, I get frazzled very easily, so I'm antsy and all over the place. But yeah, this is where we're at so far. You don't know, we have to run in and get some pizza. Big up to Pizza. Thank you for the sponsorship. Anyways, we will try. I scheduled to get a U-Haul truck at 8 a.m. in the morning, but based on everything that we were able to transport in Dad's van, I don't think I will have to get a U-Haul anymore. So I'm contemplating canceling it, but I don't want to cancel it yet until we break down the bed and put the sofa and you know the one and two other look of furniture in the place inside Dad's van. And if it's sufficient, then I won't get the U-Haul, because U-Haul was about $45 thereabout. The place that we're moving to is like 4 minutes away, so if we have to make 2 trips in Dad's van, it should be fine. So you know, we're gonna just consume some food, you know, chill for a bit, say some prayers, jump in our bed, wake up 10 minutes after, feed the baby, jump back in our bed, and then we will see you guys at about 8 o'clock in the morning. And we'll wrap this packing up and get our stuff to our new place. Thanks for following us on this journey. Big up. Levi. say 3/4 ways done, but I'm dying of hunger, bro. I haven't eaten. So I'm just at Subway grabbing something for myself at Shanika, and then we're gonna go back and finish doing what. So I'm short on boxes, right? So I'm just leaving the store. As I said, I came to, what do you call it? I came to get some food for myself, Shanika, and Dad. But I noticed that at the back of the store, like they have this garbage dump thing. And low key, I'ma roll up, bro, and try and grab some of the boxes there for real stuff. Cause they're just throwing them out, so like I don't know why they wouldn't give it to me. That is how you move on a budget, you know what I mean? Big up the owners of that Panchvati supermarket. I think it's like a Pakistani place, I don't know. But big up and thanks to Box. This is how you move on a budget, guys. If you want to learn how to move the Jamaican way, you ask me. Alright, back with the update. Alright. It's complete chaos in this place. Like, yeah. So we're not too long finished eating lunch. Levi! Come back inside. Yeah, everybody is frustrated. Everybody wants to go. Alright, dumpling. Mommy is coming. Mommy is coming. Something to eat. Jeremiah is frustrated. The bed is all disassembled. We just have that piece of furniture left. I know, mommy is coming, sugar dumpling. Mommy coming. Mommy soon carry something to give the baby to eat. Eh? Mommy coming. Who for Maya? Yeah. You put it in the bag. Levi? You put it in the baby bag right here, son. So everything is mostly gone already. We just have 1 and 2 stuff left. And then we're done. Alright, so don't mind my car, it's not really the most clean right now. So we've pretty much taken out everything so far. Just have a few things left. That's Dad over there with the bed and all these things, so he's gonna be following me. I'm gonna have to come back around here to finish and do some cleaning. But for the most part, I can say the house has been emptied. Right now it's actually 5:53 p.m. Initially I had planned to, we had said that we would get up like from like 8 o'clock in the morning. But you know, sometimes the Holy Ghost move upon you. The Lord carry you out into a deep sleep. That's what happened this morning. So we got up about after 10 thereabout, and then Dad came up about maybe 10:30, and then bro, when you move, yo, just grief. 1 and 2 gimmicks and the things that you don't see when you're living in the place, but like when you move, that's when you see them. You know, they're like miscellaneous things there. Where when you, oh crap, I left something. Oh god. Anyways, yeah, you know them little things that like when you're living at the place, you don't see them. And then when you move now and then everything down over, you see what we are doing with this here? Why we still have this? Why we still have this? Why we still have this? And you see why we have so much stuff? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, them they're the little gimmicks where they're all over the place, you know. But bro, it's 9:31 p.m. and we're pretty much just finished clean out this place. I'm completely, some kind of look like a cruff. We're completely tired, you know, but we give thanks and praise to your creator, you know what I mean? Yep. Those bags and the boxes for the fridge. So I still have those stuff to take out, but I'm completely done. We're done for tonight, so we'll do that tomorrow. So Godspeed, place. Give thanks for the time that you hosted us. Many great memories were created here. I would add that Mr. Jeremiah's conception took place here, so we praise the Almighty. There's laundry in the store, I'm gonna miss it. Yep, I appreciate you guys for watching. Yeah, I think the next video update that we will do is how I think this part is really Shanika still, because we can't manage the whole decoration and gimmicks. So that portion of the video will essentially be how Shanika and myself unpack and get Levi's room set up, one and two other things. So big up everybody, and thanks to Dad, that's Shanika's dad, for all of his help and support today. I could not have ever dreamed of doing this. I'm eating up here. I'm doing all of this by myself, so thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next vlog. Big up my mother, my father, and everybody. Give thanks.